Alright, we're up here in the catbird seat. There's one train coming by. That's a freight. What's that? Oh wow, that's like the 1970s, a GG-1 Amtrak passenger cars. What's that way over there? There's a shark. Down there. Oops. Oh, nice. Early 70s. We've got 4 trains, but where are they? Can't see it. Oh, there's one. Ah, we missed the G coming up the mountain. Hey, this one stalled. Oh, that was good. Oh, this is a nice shot. Very nice. Get some military stuff in here. It can get confusing. That's what I designed it for. So it wouldn't be boring if I was running it by myself. Oh, this one keeps stalling here. Maybe he's just stopping to say hello. All right, everybody, little pre-Thanksgiving running of the trains. Hope you're enjoying it. Gotta clean that track. Alright, let's go shut it off. Alrighty. What's coming out of this tunnel? Nice. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.